Hello and welcome to the Sampedia channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about using the cTrader trading platform. If you are a beginner and new to using the cTrader or you don't know how to use it, I'm going to be showing you the major things you need to know to easily understand the cTrader trading platform and use it. Before we go on, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you find any of these videos on the channel helpful. Without wasting any more time, let's go into this. First of all, if you don't have the cTrader app, if you don't have the cTrader trading platform, to download it, just go to Google cTrader on Google, and you can just easily get access. See here, right here, get cTrader, and you can download it either on Windows or for Windows. You can download the cTrader for Windows or Mac, Android, for wherever platform you need. You can just click on download here and just install. I believe you understand how to do the rest of the installation and all. So right now we have our cTrader platform downloaded. You're going to get something like this once it's downloaded. Something like this. So yeah, so welcome to the cTrader trading platform. This is what you get. If you know how to use the MetaTrader 4 or 5 platform, it shouldn't be that difficult to use the cTrader platform. cTrader platform is very popular these days with prop firms and a lot of other brokers. So they like the cTrader is like really simple to use, and it's becoming, I think it's gonna replace um, MetaTrader in the next few years. First of all, let's go to right here. Can really make settings, look like the settings. You can really change one or two things you want. It's a demo. We're on a demo account right here, so you can change the language option from English to whatever language you want right here. So you can change that. You can change the color if you want. I prefer dark, so it sounds on. You can change to light if you want, but I prefer the dark option. So yeah, show account number, or you can decide to hide all these if you want, but I want it shown. You can change your chat settings also from wherever you want. Yeah, you can just go and review and play around with all these settings. And like I said, you want shown, you can activate this or deactivate it. I want it to activate the market watch. So whatever you want changed on this settings um, page, you can do it. Whatever you want change, you can just go through it. It's easy to like interact with. The cTrader trading platform is quite easy to understand and interact with. So don't get distracted or scared by seeing so many buttons and options here. It's not difficult. So again, here is the settings page where you can interact and change whatever you want to change. It's easy and straightforward. Just go through it and you understand. Um, Next, I'm going to show you the market watch window. Just like you have in MetaTrader 4 and 5, the market watch here is quite easy to understand. You can go through your watch list, which we have here. Already you have seen the different assets, forex, pairs, indices, cryptocurrency, and all commodities. You can see different markets here already. If you come here to all symbols, you're going to see, of course, metals, energies, forex, indices, EU shares, and all. You see the different options available if you go ahead and click on different markets shown here. So, and you can enter, for example, for gold, XAU is going to show up, so you can easily search and type whatever you want. This gold market shown here. If you want like the SP 500, it's represented at US 500 here. You type US, or let's type SP 500. It's indicated as US 500, so it's going to be shown. So whatever pair you want, or whatever market or assets you want, you can just easily type it here on the search page. It's going to show up energy markets shown here, natural gas and all. The metals shown here. We have gold, silver, gold and euro, um, silver and euro pair, gold and euro pair, more and more. So like there are several of the markets all presented in the market watch window here. Go ahead and click it back. So you just open it here, and you can set favorites too if you want. You can set favorites of what, so whatever market you want just shows up if you set the favorite. Um, it's how you include clicking and clicking the stars here. So moving on, we have other places here where you can, you know, copy trading options, algo, and all. So you can sign up with some of all these individuals here, and you can copy their trades. Some of these people have really good strategies and they are rated high, and that's why you can find their accounts here, and you can scalp, you can do whatever. You can choose several options here, durations, then people depending on the return of interest you want, 50% down to 5%, zero. You can find the people shown here, live account, demo, live, or so. Also enter the name of the strategy you want. So you can find different options of the individuals here that you can sign up with to copy their trade. So it's a good option to if that's what you prefer. Right here, let's go back to the market. Right, this page we're on gold chart here showing this Bitcoin chart. If you want to include or add new markets, you can just come here, add new charts here, and you can, let's say I want to add an index market now, just SP500 here. I'm just going to add it and it's going to show up. So you can easily add as many markets you want right here, depending on wherever market you want. You can easily add it here. Just go through the list with the currency markets and all. So just add market here, right here. The time frames here from 1 minute to down to the monthly chart. You can add more markets. You can add more minutes or like more time frames here. Let's say I want to include the 8 hours or 12 hours. I'm just going to activate it here or deactivate it. Once I activate it, it's shown here already. 12-hour charts. So yeah, this is the time duration. This menu here, you can always change it. You can also change it. This is the standard. The standard is in minutes. You can also have other options where it shows in form of ticks, pips count, range, and all. You can actually chart. So, but the standard is what's used generally in the market in terms of minutes, from 1 minute down to the monthly chart. So it depends on the kind of trader you want, but just go for the standard since most professional traders use it. You can also, let's go down to your new order here, where you can place your market order, limit order, stop order, and stop limit order. This is quite straight to the point. Sell, you have the option of selling and buying. Enter what stop loss. You take okay. Enter your lot sizes or position sizes right here. You can control it. Your market range here. So depending on your assets that you want to trade right here. So yeah, it depends on you however you want to trade, limit order, stop order, or your market's direct order. So that's for new market. And once you enter all the required information, you just place a trade here and the order goes to the market and it is accepted. So this is all for, I believe you understand the order. If you don't know about this order, limit order, stop limit order, then you shouldn't be trading yet. You shouldn't be placing any trade. You should go ahead first as a beginner to know about this, what this represents, this limit order, stop limit order. Before you place any trade, you have to understand how they work and what they are for. They can be very helpful in your journey as a trader or investor. This is very important. So before placing any trade in the market, you should learn about what these and what they represent. We're going to go ahead to all this. If you want to change the way your chart looks, I'm going to be focused on the most important things you need to learn as a trader. Later, you can be looking forward to adding to learning the other difficult or confusing um, elements that you need to understand about the cTrader platform. So you can change the position of your charts here. If you want to have 3 charts showing, you can do this, or multiple charts showing. If you want to have just one chart showing, I prefer this setting. So yeah, you can have this. You want to have 3 charts or as many as more different options of chart settings. So you can have them all here. Now I'm going to be showing this is the same thing as if you want to your market watch. You have it here also. You have all your watch list and all. Then you can zoom in, zoom out your chart depending on how you want it. You can always zoom in and zoom out. Next, you can change your chart settings in form of like what do you want to be presented on your screen. Do you want candlesticks showing on your chart? Do you want the bar chart? You can always change. Do you want line charts? Do you want dot chart, area chart, and more? So the default settings and the settings of chart that most professional traders use is the candlestick chart. So you just use it. Bar charts are cool also, but most traders prefer candlestick chart. So you can just choose this. Um, Next is the indicator page. Right here, you get to choose any indicator you want. Um, for example, you want to add an indicator, moving averages. That's like one of the most used indicators in the market. So you can just write moving average, and it's going to show you the available moving average. Let's just use a simple moving average. Just click on it. 14-day. I like the 200 moving average. So I just do this, and you can. It depends on what kind of trader you are. That's when you know what periods. Some people use 7 days, 14 days, 150. It depends on the kind of trader you are, and what strategy you're using. Then you get to choose and decide the number, not the period you include in this period uh, place here. So after doing this, just click add to chart, and it's going to show up. So this is the 200 moving average. Moving averages help point in the general direction of where the market is going and will be. So they are important. Uh, they are important indicator to use if you are if you use indicators with your trading. Basically, so if you want to add an indicator, you can either add it through this place. Um, Come to this menu here and click on it and go through search. There's so many indicators. I have a video on how to download and add more indicators. You can find it in the description. It's going to teach you how to buy or download free indicators from the market, or you search for indicators here. So bots included. If you want to add any bots here, it's easy. You just click on it and add to your chart. So yeah, indicators can be very helpful. So you just go ahead and go through uh, go through and select any indicator you feel will be helpful for your trading. Uh, you can also right click on the chart. Just right click on the chart and you can click on indicators also. It's going to take you right to the indicator page. That's that for indicators. Um, just in case you want to delete any drawings or indicators, you can do that here. Remove all indicators, hide all indicators. Remove all indicators is going to definitely remove all the indicators. Like you see, the moving average has disappeared. So that's this option here on the menu is for that. Moving on, um, right here, these are other options that you don't have to understand. You can be understanding later. You can find out more. I'm just going to be focused on the most important elements you need to understand. I'm going to come right here to this page. It's like the tools page. You have your crosshair. It's going to point out directly to the parts on the chart. It's going to show you the numbers, the numbers on both the x and y axis. So the right here you see the month, the time, right then right here price. So price against time. I'm sure you know that, the x and y axis. So the crosshair will basically show you the price and the time exactly on any points you go to on the market. So it can help you fix your stop loss, your take profit, or know the exact market price you want to enter. So the process is a really wonderful tool to use. Click on one position and just slide down to pinpoints and all that. So it's a good tool. So synchronize crosshair and the option like the crosshair. This the arrow, just in case you prefer using the arrow. Other tools, you see the vertical line, just in case you want to draw lines, you just click on it and choose however line you want. You have the horizontal line here, which you can just put at any point and move around the horizontal line. As you can see, you can put this at any point and put as many lines, both vertical and horizontal lines, as possible. Yeah, so also draw lines, arrows, trend line. For example, I want to draw a line here, just free draw, and move to any position I want on the chart. So these lines can be helpful in pointing you to several points or areas on the market, or levels where the market can is going or will be, or however way your strategy works. These lines, these drawing tools can be of help to you. This is the pencil tool. So you can also click on them to delete them. Easy, just click on them and the options to delete will show. Or you can easily just right click on them and you show different options. You can change the options. If you want it more bold, the lines, or you want to change the color, you can also do this. You can also change the color. Just click on them. You can change the colors: red, yellow, blue, however you want, green. It depends on you. So all these are quite easy. The cTrader platform is very easy to understand. Just go through them and play around, and you get to see that you understand them fully. So yeah, the same thing here. The text. You want to enter a text, it's easy. Just write something. Uh, Text tool is quite important. So just in case you want to draw shapes, rectangle for example. Just in case you want to draw the rectangle, you can easily draw. Click on one point and extend it, and however you want. You can also shift the shape to wherever you want. So the rectangle tool is helpful for some people that use this that use the rectangle tool for whatever strategy. Rectangle, eclipse, triangle, depending on what you want. Up arrow, down arrow. These are just objects you can use that can be helpful in your trading if you need them. You can use the chart shot. Just if you want to take a picture of the chart as it is, you can just click on this and it's going to take the picture and go ahead to save it somewhere. Yeah, so that's what that works for, to be saved somewhere in your documents you use. Then right here you have the Andrew's pitchfork, decent price channel. We have Fibonacci right here, Fibonacci retracements. Those of you who use Fibonacci as part of your trade, for those of you that use Fibonacci as part of your trading strategy, this can be helpful in one way or the other. You can go ahead to make settings or add to your Fibonacci numbers if you want. Yeah, I can decide to add these. Add this just in case you want. So you are free to add as many numbers to your Fibonacci as you want. As you can see, delete this. As you can see, we have Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci fan, Fibonacci expansion, Fibonacci time zone. So it depends on you. So these tools, go ahead and play around with them, and you're going to find out the ones you feel are important for you. See market news, find them here. Um, Calendar, auto chartist, and DOM. This just shows you can choose whatever asset you want, and you find information you want about them. Market information about different factors. So back to this. Right here again, instead of going straight to the new order, you can just get them here and enter the numbers you need, and set your stop, your lot size and all. This for market order, this for limit order, stop limit order. Find all this, place your trade right here. So guys, as you can see, the cTrader platform offers so many options on what you can do, and the tools, as you can see, are quite helpful. Whether you're a beginner trader or a professional trader, you can always find many tools to use, and some of these tools can be very helpful for your trading. I'm going to show you this part of the market that shows you the positions you have open, your orders, history, like just like MetaTrader, you have all these options, your journal, and price alerts, all. So just for example's sake, let's say you place a trade right here. So yeah, this is the US 500 market. Let's just say we want to buy on gold. Set our 0.05 lots. I want to buy, just like click on buy. We are on a demo account, so yeah, I want to buy gold. So of course it's going to be shown here. Now you have an open position on gold, and order history and all. Just in case you set a limit order, it's going to be showing your pending orders right here. So yeah, this part of the chart shows your open positions. Okay. Let me go here and minimize. As you can see, you can minimize here and open. Yeah, so this part of cTrader, this option, this area shows all your open positions and closed positions. You can come here also and close your position. Click to close. You can double your positions. You can reverse your position. Just reversing your position means just in case you feel like you took the wrong position by buying, you want to sell. If you click on these options, it's going to reverse it right back. And right now you are selling. I just clicked on it, and right now we are selling. So it's going to most trading platforms don't have this option, so you can reverse your position just in case you didn't want to, you made a mistake, or you feel like market sentiment has changed and you want to go back to buy again. If this is not advised, but of course you must have done all your analysis, and like you must be sure of your analysis basically before going to the market. So you can't be unsure and buying and selling. This is just for the purpose of example, reversing your positions and all. And you can also add to your positions here. If you click on it, it's going to add to your position. Now you have more double of what you risk. So you now have 0.10 lots instead of the previous 0.05 lots, standard lots. You can also double this, and it's going to be 0.20 lots. So and you can close this trade if you feel like you're no more interested. Click on close here, and now we are out of the trade. So these options are like so many, and you get to view your balance, equity, use margin, free margin, everything will be showed right here on the chart. So like I said, the cTrader offers so many positions. Take your time and be patient, and you get to learn and understand every part of this powerful trading tool. This the bots area, the algo, where you get to like indicators, add indicators to your chart, plugins, and all, and bots. create algorithm, free samples, help center, cTrader forum. So there's so much you can do on the cTrader platform. You get to analyze your trades and all. So you get to do all that net profit, profit factor, uh, deposit withdrawal. You get to see all the information you need and the equity, your balance. Just basically another chart that shows what your performance as a trader and your trades and all. So the summary of your trade performance and equity and all is be shown in this side analyze. So back to the chart. The cTrader is a really powerful platform, as I said. Right click and you go to find, save templates, create templates, change type your chart types, your chart periods again. So left clicking will provide you with other options in the market you want to change. Color options also, the background colors, you can go ahead and change them right here. You go ahead and refresh the chart here. Background image, you can go ahead and remove it if you want. The background image, you can make it bolder or less bold or remove it completely right here. That's the cTrader background color. I like it a little bit shown, so I'm just gonna leave it. So yeah, there's so many options you can do. You can change on this cTrader platform. Right here, if you want to deposit and withdraw, this is shown here. And just log into your account and put demo and live account. Go straight to depositing here and withdrawing. So these are the major elements you need to know on the cTrader platform. Go around and it's very easy to understand the cTrader platform. The more you go through it and work with this. I think the cTrader platform is very powerful and it's going to probably replace the MT4 and 5 someday. Right now, a lot of prop firms integrate this platform as part of the options you can use when you want to trade. So I'm going to bring this video to an end. I hope this has been helpful in some ways to you. If there are any questions you want, you can also comment below the description. Make comments and don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel if you found this video very helpful to you. Thanks for watching this video.